In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your product price settings on Wix. Managing your product pricing effectively is crucial for any online store, and Wix offers an intuitive way to customize these settings. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix dashboard by going to the home page. If you're not already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials. Once on the home page, you're greeted with a clean interface designed to facilitate easy navigation. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you find your way around more efficiently in the future. Next, find and click on the Settings option. This is typically located in the sidebar on the left side of your screen. The Settings section is your command center, where you can adjust a variety of features to optimize your store's performance and appearance. By delving into this area, you ensure that your site remains professional and user-friendly. Now, using the search function within the settings, type in Product Price Settings. This search will direct you to the specific section where product prices can be adjusted. The search bar is incredibly handy, especially if you're new to Wix or just need to locate specific settings quickly without having to manually scroll through multiple pages. Once you're in the right place, click on Store Products and Inventory. This particular page is where you keep track of everything related to the items you sell. It's like a digital inventory room where you control how your products appear to customers, including crucial details like pricing and stock. Look for the option labeled Price and Shipping Display. This is where you'll manage how prices are shown to your customers. It's important to set this up correctly to ensure transparency and avoid potential customer confusion, which can impede sales. The clarity of your pricing not only influences customer trust but can also drive conversions. Finally, it's time to edit your price settings. Check your current configurations and make any necessary adjustments to align with your pricing strategy. Whether it's setting standard prices, applying discounts, or adjusting for shipping costs, this section empowers you to showcase prices that make sense for your business and attract your target customers. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering product price settings on your Wix website. Remember, regular reviews and adjustments keep your store competitive and aligned with market trends. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Wix support for more detailed guidance. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online store. Thanks.